Hello everyone, this is Priyanshu Singh and today I am here to share my journey of getting 71 in CA Intergroup Law. I think the major contribution goes to CA Preeti Aggarwal ma'am, from whom I have taken my law classes. So if you guys are looking for a faculty who can provide such quality content and clear all your doubts and teach all the concepts with so much easiness, I would recommend you to directly go for CA Preeti Aggarwal ma'am, and her lectures are literally wow, and the study material that provide she has provided, it is just phenomenal. So I just referred ma'am's lectures and studied from her study material, and yes, I got 71 in law. So I think the best part was self-assessment papers. So I have solved each and every paper that ma'am has provided to us, and after writing these paper, I used to send these paper to ma'am, and ma'am used to check it, and then she used to comment like, do this case study like this and elaborate this point. So I think these little things, they play literally a major role. And yes, I got a very good marks in law, and all the contribution I think goes to ma'am only. So if you guys are looking for CA inter law faculty, I would directly suggest just go for ma'am's lectures and you will not regret. Yes, I think one of the best decisions that I have taken to selecting ma'am as my law faculty, and you guys can see the result. So thank you ma'am for everything, for providing such quality content, and yes, again thank you so much.